You're not having a drink? In your...
I haven't stock.
Are you going to have a White Claw and a Yeti koozie?
Yeah.
It's very delicious.
It's backyard bougie. I like a White Claw.
Yeah?
We're going to do this video.
Oh, video? We're doing a video? Oh yeah, we're doing a video. Oh, hello everybody.
We're starting.
Yes, we are. Hey everybody, welcome to the 2024 season of the Goose Hunters. Just thought we'd come to you from the wilds of Bowden, Alberta. We thought we'd just give everybody a breakdown of A, what we did over the winter, and B, what we have planned for this summer for our videos. So, hey, before we get started, you want to smash that?
Smash the buttons and the bells and ding them.
Subscribe.
All the little stuff that's going to appear here when we edit the videos.
Subscribe.
Over here.
We need subscribers, please. Please subscribe. Please. Please. Okay, on that note, please. Ray, why don't you tell us a little about what you did over the winter?
I didn't do much. I did take up wood carving.
Oh.
Something to keep myself busy. I just actually finished Birdhouse for the People's Pavilion. This is our new set for all future videos. We'll just hang it up in the middle there. There's a little hook for a light. We'll put the.
Can I interrupt for a second? We're gonna do every video in this pavilion. Yeah, are we goose hunters, or are we gonna hunt goose from the pavilion? Just throwing that out there.
We have to have a place to return.
Okay.
This is base camp.
Okay.
Base camp. Okay.
I'll go with that.
The People's Base Camp. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, I made a birdhouse for the base camp and tracked some birds. And,
nice.
yeah. What about you? What'd you do this winter?
Well, I started off by I did some backpacking by myself in Antarctica.
Oh, by yourself and
by myself, yeah.
Yeah, that's
yeah. It was pretty nice down there.
Must have been an adventure.
It was a little bit of an adventure, a little chilly on occasion, but it was fun. I had a lot of soul searching, a lot of reflecting on my last few years of goose hunting, and thought, hey, it's time for a change. So when I got back, I registered to be a keto instructor. So basically, I've been on keto for the last 4 or 5 months. I've lost 3.5 ounces, and I want to be your instructor. So if you need help with keto, I'm your guy. You can just comment at the bottom. We'll get a hold of you.
Keto instructor requires certification?
Yeah, but I have a piece of paper from the
Keto Institute?
Keto Institute of
in
Technology.
Antarctica. Okay. That's why you backpack there.
Yep.
It's like a hidden ninja temple that you can only get to by... Yeah, okay. I gotcha. Yeah.
And this is why my sweater fits a little better this year. Last year was a little tight, doiter, but this year it's a little looser. So.
Yeah, you're looking
well,
good.
that's what 3 ounces does to you, right?
Yeah.
So, hoping to have a pound. I'm hoping to be down a pound in the next 7 to 8 weeks. That's my goal.
Gotta have goals.
Yep. That's what I did.
Yep.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, so I think we're looking forward to a good...
Wait a minute. Can I just interrupt you for a second, Ray? I need everybody's... I need to talk to Ray for a minute. Just hold the video.
What are we doing here?
I'm a little concerned, Ray, that you're out of costume here today.
Here we go.
I don't understand why your hat has really skinny tape that looks like it should be on a cut of some sort, a stitch bandage.
You just had to call attention and nobody would have noticed.
And the shirt is got tape because it's taped over my name. I'm just wondering where the gear is. I'm really disappointed. Our first video, and you show up without your gear.
I have no excuse. I got nothing good to say.
Very disappointed.
I'm disappointed.
I'm
in
so
myself.
disappointed that I don't even want to look at the Grey Goose now. But I'm gonna have another sip of the White Claw.
Okay.
In a Yeti koozie.
I do.
Not
all
a
my
sponsor.
fans, I apologize for not having the proper gear. You know what? You got to do what you got to do.
All right, I forgive you.
Okay, thank you.
So,
hey, listen. On that note, I adopted a theme song.
Yes, I'd like to hear it.
Should we hear it? Yeah.
Play it for the gang.
Okay. I don't know. Tell me, cameraman. Tell me if you can hear this. This is.
Don't make me feel like hell today. Right, I think this song could be the perfect ring. Right, I think this song could be the perfect ringtone.
I do
Let me
too.
know if you dig it.
You ready?
Hey,
Here it is.
asshole gonna make me feel like hell today. No POS gonna take a piss on my parade. I got so much life to live.
Okay, can we drink?
So few shits to give. Ain't no asshole gonna make me feel like hell today.
Amen. So that's my theme song. I'm looking forward to living a whole summer with that attitude. We'll see how well it serves me.
Yeah. He's going to have a lot of friends throughout the summer. And perhaps that's a good thing.
Yeah, maybe. Or I'll have no friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
Well, you know what? I'm glad that we're gonna, hunt goose continually because that's good for the keto.
Okay.
Vodka, straight vodka
Vodka's
is
good for keto.
Is good for keto. So
Vodka's good for COVID, keto, heart health. That's how we're alive and kicking.
Amen, brother.
Amen.
All right, so we don't want to keep everybody too long because
Just give a cheers to you guys to kick off the year.
We've had a couple of comments and complaints about the length of our videos, so we're gonna just try to keep that down to under 3 to 5 minutes. And if we're a little over, we do apologize to our fans out there.
I was aiming more for like 7.
Don't want to get in trouble. The fans are the ones that tell us what we should do and what we shouldn't do.
So let us know in the comments so that we know what to do.
All right, so let me
Cheers,
see
let's do it.
Cheers, what?
Where'd you put it?
For what?
Where's the bottle?
Oh,
Oh, coming in. Hot. Oh, shit.
Oh.
Okay.
Whoa,
Well, yeah.
coming in hot.
I think we bypassed a receiver.
Wow, that's right. That was almost interception.
Where's the knife? There it is.
Really?
I'm gonna cut myself.
You can just pull the tab. We bought this one from the grocery store.
Oh,
We didn't hunt this one. We actually bought it.
to cut all the other ones off.
Yeah, no, but we bought this one. This one's pre-packaged.
Compared to the vodka that's normally not prepackaged.
Correct.
All right. You need to get going. This is dragging on a bit.
Really? Yeah. What's the time? We don't want to get in trouble. Ooh.
I like that sound.
Delicious.
All right. You ready?
Yes. Is it going to be like the last time where you pour yourself a little bit and you're going to pour me like a full glass? Yeah. Stop. Thank you.
Okay, I'll even it out. There.
Even out?
That is even.
Really?
Look at the volume.
Are you kidding me?
It's
Put
fine.
some more in there.
It's fine.
Put some more in there.
Look at the cups, man. They're even. All right. Okay. Cheers to everybody. Yeah.
Why do I have a rake? Here, a switch.
Oh, great. That really worked out well, didn't it? Okay. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. Cheers, everybody.
Well, that was delicious.
That actually is really good.
Yeah, it was
I highly recommend the orange for our fans. It's something else.
So on that note, I'm Mike.
I'm Ray.
Are you sure? Because most of your stuff says Mike on it, but that's all right. And I want to thank you for watching.
Go.
Let it go. Okay, Elsa. I'm going to let it go. Thank you very much for everybody tuning in. And we'll see you in a couple weeks in our next real official hunt.
Yes.
So thanks for
Got a
sticking
new
with
bow
us.
and arrow.
Okay, stop talking, Ray. We'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.